Hey folks, welcome back to Jay's Tech Tips. I'd like to show you today our MM20 End Panel. This happens to be 36 inches wide. That aligns with our 4-post rack when adjusted to 36 inches deep. I've unpackaged this already. This comes in 2 pieces, and I've already bolted that together in 5 places with 7/16 bolts. In the hardware kit comes these plastic nuts, and these will insert into the squares on the rail in 4 places per side. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Because of the keyhole feature in the end panels, I'm going to insert my screws and leave about a 1/4 inch reveal. So with my 8 screws installed, I'm going to pick up my end panel and drop it into place. To complete the job, I'm going to take my screwdriver and tighten up the screws the rest of the way. For additional information, please reach out to the product specialist team.